Okay, so yeah, I'm giving a short overview of the talk I'll be presenting after lunch, and it's entitled Using 12D in Your VBA Projects. Normally we think of 12D as a single program, but it's useful to think of 12D as having two parts. One is the 12D database, which is where all the models and strings and other things we create are stored. And the other is the 12D model, which is generally what we use to interface with the database. But it's not the only way to work with the database. Another way is to use the 12D macro programming language, but only certain types of people tend to use this sort of stuff. Then there's the 12DA file, which is a really important part of 12D because it allows you to interact with other software. But for each software package, you need a translator, and that is to get the 12DA in a format that the other software can work with. And that's the area that I've been playing in. I use 12D a lot, but I also rely on Excel to do calculations and tabulate data and things like that. So I need to be able to transfer data efficiently between the two. And knowing that the 12DA is the best way to transfer data from 12D to other software, I wrote an Excel translator. And I'll be uploading this to the 12D Programmers Forum, along with a user guide for anybody to download and use as they want. It's VBA code, but it's saved in a special kind of Excel workbook called an add-in. It's easy to set up, and with only limited programming knowledge, you can build quite sophisticated tools, and they can be quite useful, whether it's tools to bring data from 12D to Excel or the other way around. Some of the benefits are that it simplifies the data exchange. It lets VB programmers write routines without having to learn a 12DA programming language. So I can make models and modify models within Excel and transfer that back up to 12D. And it really extends the capabilities of Excel, essentially making 12D an extended interface. So Excel then has the capability to display spatial information. So in my talk after lunch, I'll be going through how to link to the add-in. I'll show you some sample code, and then I'll run through a few real-world examples just to show the add-in in action. So thanks very much.